Mwega sana mutegeri wa Meru TV nontubwa kuona kanya kange gakugwatana nani karimi kaunti kiri mubango jwa Gikaro Na Kaunty na ntuki ya naru ingotike Christine Wanjero na inyani ingo gutaririte ukabere tuketha tukigwatana na bwana Nkubu Imwari. Nkubu Imwari no mwa drivers wa safari rari kuma ari mbere 1988 mbere Christine ntije na ari murungu akiwize na araba inge maybe bari 1988 na 1988 ile Nkubu Imwari yamberirie gwetithia ngari chia safari rally na ukethera wina kiorie maybe ngari urona che 4x4 kana manjengie kumatukana ngari maybe no wethera wina interest kinya utonya kiri safari rally kiorie gyaku gitumia jana ndi 40321 ndio namba yetu SMS aja kiri Meru TV. Karibu sana bwana Nkubu Imwari.
Thank you very much.
Karibu sana.
Asante.
Maybe jokia kanya kaka ukethi mutegeri wa Meru TV umwire utawa ate na umite ntereriko
Mutegeri wa Meru habari yenu abo kubukethia mwita Nkubu Imwari oni mpumite no Meru na mpumite rutero Nkubu au Kariene nionja ni mpumite
Nkubu Imwari maybe mbia gitatha ino muntu mtugagwa mono mutindo
Nkubu Imwari ni mtu biashara na mulimi
mu biashara na mulimi katwambirie kiri mantu jegie safari rally nontunio mono tukwenda kumenya bwana Nkubu nate watonyere kiri safari rally na nate wagire interest gigutonya kiri machindano jangari
safari rally kalija enda muneko actually onto oninde kuma chukuru ndetre kuthithia mantu jangari yu na mbira nda weta motor vehicle mechanic na engineer from polytechnic kuma unda tonyana na ande baba bengi ba ngari na indi Nairobi na ilo ndambire kuona mantu jangari lucky enough ndachemana na Patrick Njiru actually that woman tell me Patrick Njiru yeah that's the guy who mentored me na actually want to tumeenda tonya kwa Subaru na tuiteje manta kuthithia ngai na ndambire kwa service crew ya Patrick na Rob Combs na ashungo bangi bonde na manka ndatuka tekrasine kingi iyo nani nurali ambiririe lakini before that one ndaithagia ngari tuno ndi kwa makanika ndaithagia ngari iko kidogo na ikatuika ngari ndongi yakatoro fandiri ko ndaithite very good angio kuona kau kale au
kaka
kau it was a puff kana nukuona kio gatumite nda
mutegeri nkwenda muno na kagari kaka ntamenya kethera munaniri wako na ukona bwega imwe tugari turia Nkubu Imwari etithagia ngwitikia na ukona tugari turia twa tene turia bwana Nkubu etithagia na kai kukari kagari gaku kambere
iga gwitithia yes kuma unaenda mbira gwitana na 160J 160J then
160J
ali Subaru
Subaru
that's a Subaru
we easy
ula ndi
easy
bas naenda graduate na nenda tuka a bit faster tenda choke ki Subaru na RX turbo ingine ya wiguru
easy
hiyo tina namba
okay
na nenda mbele gwita yes
bwana Nkubu Imwari maybe mwankana ndi kuma 1988 ngwitiki miaka 31
yes
no witithagia magari zo mwankana ndi
mambitagia magari zo na no nitithagia nyama njira chiao nandi
na katwambiria ge safari rally na mbere ma wagweta Subaru na antu baingi baize Subaru speed imbieteka mtu kutuika qualified safari rally driver
in a lot of qualities ngari actually mbere ma ketha ukwenda gwithia safari rally mbere ma no mwanka most thing you have to know a mechanic a bit the elementary ngari ikenda umenya breki na ikaraga umenya kiniki karanyetho driver two ngari ile very special mtibona ile na chuma ndene iketho ina yogoteva equality that with safety na ndi nyoka ida kuthia kagari gaku kanini na makaketho kena roll cage ila twita safety ketho kena ya bag ndene na chumire wona chiki ndene chionde ukenda in case of anything tutijinga the speed no monka ile na safety ndene uwe halafu kwa hivyo wana bekite bimakobia ja wana bekite ila twita helmet halafu na ndiko na ingi kwa natawikira nkingo
ko ngari wiza ithondeki ni rari
erari ugo no thithie ku lakini gete top class iro kwendeka kenda wa competitive kana kenda itho ina evo china na barangi lakini on twina nduka thithia for you no twa beje chiaku utumba gwita tu ngari ile erari ukuona je iguona top class yuko rekete manaviri kana menengai kaburas ngari ne 22 million that eyo kuona gitwa R5
22 million
22 million but ikarira mtoro mwana oyo na anja emuriera no takuwa 22 million astoka nonto unita babali na ngale tagura ngale lakini ntagurire na ndethia rari
oitire milioni 22
ali idi kagale tu kwambira gatugale tu na I always tell people nembera antu ja maingi mwana akambire gukua ikyo gituma ona ngina mugwa watanjara na ndu kale agukua tutiko gwatanjara
ima
na ino monka mtu na arari tona kwambira ku agure kagale kanini kawe athithi nyethe katatani kana ka Toyota Corolla kana nyake tho ina mbia checho kinyangiri 40 ngiri magana 3 jana ya 6 no agure ngari iji tinare guru yo kinyangiri magana na kana milioni
bara tona ge safari rare tukangari chida chichi yao abagurite
ile ngari chaba gurite bongo utokweja ngari nyeku itokagura ukagitatia ukambira gwitithia so the only way out ni ugure ngari wambire kuiprepare the
na
next
nate mtu akagita maybe kwina mtu ule we mashinani na kwenda kutonya na no agure ngari nate akeza ambirie kutonya kuambiria ku practice atukara ri safari rally drive
nandu actually the most important thing mbere ma nyombere tagura ngari but to in the market to town that to na Meru you can call us but to open nandi kenda ya ukara ndigo na uni kule kwa becha ikana sonda ombera Nkubu ndenda gwitarari na ndienda one device unu ura kwenda gwitai ura nkathithia kenda bitatia kenda bitarari na nyoke tho gurite ngari utimbire tena tutira simu mbiro kigura I will give you a peace of mind nkure nandi ithira 1 2 3 4 5 nonto bambere mo kaja register na club kimwe either Meru Motorsport kana na nyuki kana ambikenda wa member kenda bakwa friction era ti license era gwitithia kenda wa free ten kirikira kiu kenda gitatia kenda we wa space ya ku participate ki machindano ya ngari na ringi naku omakwitha tukumenya gwitithia tomba gwikia kieni twagwitana urai urangari titagua omakwitha tena navigator tukakwira nani navigator kukara 1 2 3 4 elementary twagwitana
okay navigator mtu na uli navigator no
uro kukainda kibarabarani
utona co-driver kwa tuge
co-driver no twita navigator but actually Nkubu County uro chinda rally no uria
taria
that's the guy who wins
mtungu kie wimbi
no na ndo kwira no ntura ukarakira ri rira unbe tite ngari ra ningo personally unde na barabara era twita pace note kwina pace note actually that enough no ranka ukona tu next time ukambira kaimbe je jonke ja na pace note na mbono ikali na structure no ura no kwira nandi ethe na njira barabara method au ametagete au njira lakini it's in figures ekona kwandikite kwira tuga easy left of brow tekmuro ukera left ukera right ukera street on ukera jump ukera T junction na ndi we etha ekuthoma watitaga ngai na ritite it doesn't look atitaga mbere etha athomete mjiriku na no gatuma witha with the fast kana with the slow ora njira yagitatia kali kyo gituma ona navigator no chinda that's how things are yes right.
Na bona mwali tuigagua ri buku gatuge for example kwina acharana na babuli na kwa kiruki ibuku ita guchinda na buibanga ate buibanga ja club kana na ate buibanga banga mibuku kwa ntuku fulani tuite
ikaira no to kwina club yu kwa club ja charana na ndi that's our home ground now it's part of Meru Motorsport na Kiruki has done fantastic job.
Is part of
is part of organizer by rally. Na what he has done actually Kiruki na rally in his blood. Na kuita kuona mtu kujike munda ika 50 abunengera butinda okinyanga na 4x4 na mantojo yonde actually toma kwenda na passion nene mono ko is art of Kiruki na tena kirali etora Meru kuraja mono aritithia very high non tukiri kiri mantu jarari Meru kaija Kalenjin na Ruiru. A third of drivers and navigators they are Marians. Eda utanotice mantu jau. Ngotu yangu Kenya mwake kwa encyclopedia.
Turari mantu wa Kenya?
Kenya. I tell you.
Na driver wa mira.
I tell you, tika na mira. Navigators, top navigators, Mbwe Meru, they are 1/3 of the rally. Kenya National Rally Championship. Na hatu tuli, Phineas Kimathi, Numwiji.
Ule wa San
Valencia.
Yes.
Phineas is the chairman of Kenya Motorsport. Monena rally onde ni Kenya nikana moja. Ora uhuru akiali mantu jawa Narok. Nandi alete FIA, International Automobile Association. It represents Africa. Tigana na Kenya. Phineas. You see? So Nandi Okona, how Phineas has done in the rally. Actually, it's the one who organized it. Nanda Birasiji Tanandi is the man behind the wheel. Success or not? Yes.
Na itona ali mwake safari rara maybe bwetete na navigate oku ngari kathuka kabwethera bwize kumekanika kana kumenya gukanika ngari ri part of kwithro nderebo safari rari kana what happens? Itona ali muntu autonya rungu ambiria kuthithia wengo na ukai ndereba.
Tanda Birasi na ndele mingivya na interview ndara Birasi yuko na ijete na ndiki mathi arwirite muno. Phineas. Ngari reke gutwika kuguru. Kana gintu kingiti kiri service park kana special stage ute muntu ungi utonga ndereba kana vigitoku inye kathuka soko soba noiji no yakutaka ndereba kana vigito agitatia ugagwitira kuna ndi tukuiwa na ino manko etho ijere mentale kuitatia kuthondeka ngari. That's why things come in.
Do it automatically.
Automatically na ino manko manto jawe the wiji. Good.
Ibwega sana mutegerero TV nkuona bwana Nkubu baingi bakumenya ongea ruria is a great man. He has also inspired his son. Gato aliri mantu ja muthako kweta wate mbere mana imbizi nywe inderebo rally.
Thank you very much.
Na nate atonyere kirali kaabo etanege no maybe geka na kanini atuke interested.
Thank you County. Isa is my son.
Isa Imwari.
Isa Imwari is my son. Na actually ngina eta ndi gitarali. Ngina no ethere service crew. So ethere nyime ngina. Actually one time I remember in 1990 baumire Voi beja Kajiando na mwije kuna bamami na nababu bange they had to drive all the way to Bungoma. Remember where it's Bungoma?
Yes.
And to remember safari it was 6,900 kilometers.
Cool. Ayu utara barabara za chida hii.
No, nothing. No bondas or nothing. Na people they were actually barunga muno ntu bera kwa njire ngalicha machira njikorokete otengalire kinyanjirene. Antu ibathikite muno county. Nandi ndio kuthugania no mwiji muthaka agirire mantu interesting na njane ne nangai na inu kujina ndi ile ngalicha raliku. That's how it came in. And actually na what happened when I went to Nairobi alija Nkubu secondary school eta college na the mantujo on the nandi lucky enough what happened beta ba kwatana Kimathi Phineas obvio San Valencia nueve I tell you nyagwita rali Phineas Kimathi nyanga alira bagule bena Phineas na ndo kumenya nyagu yande mulithi no tune mulithi tho Phineas mulithi meano wa chairman wa Mau na ina jambira muthaka ni jene tharari actually his mother ngina was mad
no kule ngina anakira speed interested na re comfortable mwana wetarari
mama she was good ngina 160J au magaja ethere maramune right on the corners. Na I could drive all the way from here to Nairobi within 2 hours. Kwa kadha mtu kwa nageta Voi, ageta Ndia, agachoka ageta Kakamega, ageta Kajiando, and that enough nandi that mama she's good.
Ko kuria tiri ko kumenya uga Nkubu Imwari na chetha mubira 1990s mtu guto Karani nino utigirire guchetha football na nate kwa karakarire
mubira nchethete maka na national nchethete ndai nyuma and defense very good. I was playing utikieni ni Kenya ntachetha mubira ne mwene wa Mombasa Kisumu and right actually playing a lot na karani bwana ichi
kuona jia ukumenya bwega
yes
na kwi u mtu agitamburia kana ngari cia tuge for example atona ngari cia driving china break na akina ni kinini navigator wena ether wena break we mtu kuli ether wena ma break kana igwa kila kitu ngari-ini ngoge wego kwa tu guidelines
ila tio driving school na ile napendo chia navigator na ndengi ralika foot rest yakira leo foot rest ekurikira maguru yao chakulia yetitengare nothing else nothing else utikekira kiri kiriago he is capable of doing everything utikenya kethenya takugwa muro atemenya ni kugwa because is watching the books era dogani otuko na kwina reading right akategana it doesn't
kwina mtu ukuria bwana Nkubu akagura ngari ya kawaida kwa huyu tuika amemba kumithondeka ya ngari rali
yeah you can modify it atuka
ate
mbere matuka tukwenda kumenya ngari ukura ngari tukwenda underpowered car etha ngari no akaithana sisi nyingi kidoka na ithana power alafu tukwenda ku prepare suspension check and chitho cia mbiti ikenda chitho chiri utiona chita off road tachigeta ramine alafu nukwenda with roll cage halafu na necessary mantu kidogo tu yote kingi
suspension kuna mwitirio ngeo safari rali Meru ibaja bai
kutura atia rali Meru bai
kuna mwakuru mberema
ali Meru kagendo sisi ore na secretary ogenda birasi kwanya no kirua umnumu
nyana ine tidegia
nyana ine te kono secretary nyano ogenda birasi na KMSF
wow
Meru way that one is blessed with that yes
kwa huko ina bangi bado wa Meru
Meru abangi mono etionga kina mwenda kina nani weko wengi sana yes na nyake no na imu muthaka wa Phineas makirike mathi yes yes like father son
bwega ki 4x4 ire rakarikire igoro necho nuraire mushindi ba mebanga netia ate magari jara magari very powerful mtu karaithithirie wa mwankega jeja mafuko na very powerful ngari yani 4x4
aura mtu kuthia ngari we rari na kuthia 4x4 ile you have to spend money on that car either ikuguru nuko na gurukura kwa mbechingana 370 kumwe kura kwa 4x4 kura
wow
kuona nuko na mtu na maguru ya tanta na fuel ile potumira na management yao na ndio kuona the crew itself kuona you need some money na mtu kuona area opi mafuko is actually has come in strongly na nya is doing wa try and traders kuona nyango ku alafu mwiriki kamawe naone mwiriki kamawe ena Land Rover na mwiriki is another superman Meru that young boy kwa tumagukwira Meru ina ndamu erari kuona mwiriki Land Rover kawe uraga itina kagitata actually mwiriki azana
nora chindire 4x4
nora chindire zenze yota ura I do nora chindire yota kerori ke Land Cruiser kenene
katu mwira congratulations mberema
onosana ndo kwa Meru
uri atiri bwana Nkubu ibo menta ayuthi na bo menta ate
ayuthi tweta tukajokia one of the time jana ndi batu twina kwenu kwa rally ni jitenda birasi tunanda kambuga na 8 na arua tamba kweta tabajokia tuketa eta kwena rally jari jita bakathibo time controller bakathibo marshals achoka tukawikia ethwa ni service pack jeke ja gitoro technical batikaba karungamira no nuko na hau ya mentoring them nuko na tu bwatonya ndene erari na ndu me otonya ki service pack otonya ki control otonya ki nyomwera ki organization ni na ndio mentored already halafu abu tusine ja every month whenever you call him kenda itana navigation na driving pachoka tugeta charane kenya kaleta every month ana bageta charana batabuka nenkaro ngari with an navigation onyo ndio nandi kiruki organizing that one kiruki nandi trackero tatu kaba ikicharana bagetithia ngari ĩrĩa kĩruki mpaka mwaka nayo tukiona this is good, this is one tukiadvise aũrĩa gĩtatia wĩra gĩtatia bakũthithia kĩo tũmona kwĩra kĩruki has done a fantastic job in
Bwega sana. Nikuona nya tumite SMS yaza ujana kwa kuria atiri, how do you earn from rally? Kwi kigena kiuma kirali ka purely passion.
Purely passion, lakini yani je there are companies which come in to advertise their goods. Kuona? Na hiyo tunaona Kabras. Tesukari. Hote kuona ya Isa. Na community tete. That's why you get. Goja huwa na
Jora tu gura biashara ugetera mugulieja.
Alija ora uko na ndwiro. Ndwiro kuna kwina Nike, kwina Adidas.
Oh, is the sponsors.
That's where you get the money.
Okay. Oh.
That's why you get uko na ngai na ndiko na without the sponsor in nobody. That's how it is. Yes.
Bwega sana. Yes. Na kwina mtu ukuria which is the best car that kulingana na Nkubu wa Imwari na experience yewe kirima tujege safari rally.
Ford Fiesta. Hiyo kuona kwetu imani viora Mombasa. Na uju wa Kabras. Yetu with R5. That is 30 million, that car.
Wow.
One suspension yayo is 850,000. One suspension. Yangaliu. Na ngaliu manufacturers bao beta ba mejukia igekiro ndegene igekiro thithitie ika serviced igachoka. Those are the top cream drivers. So na watu tukwali na unandi Jaisha is driving R4. Actually also is not bad drove. R4 is next to R5. Na is doing well also. Not to R4 okaja ke R4 iba bengi bena R4 kina babangi cream kuna ndio to mbele atidagia Subaru achoka na ndio na akwa underpowered is being beaten by the boys ambia na dia bwana ndikinyanga alimo nka kuguru kenda tulika ibati na bwana tekuita so you want to rush up around you want to go to Latvia. That's why you bought that car. Along in actually when drove if not very near she is in UK at Latvia wanangale mutanongina so you want to pay some money kenda eja
ko kuria ibigethera ibona support kuma kire government organizations kana kuma kire thirikari in short.
Government jana ndino ntoni kwenda kukienda bila sio tirikana nda wanda rally championship ni jina reko thirikari na eko but now is in walikanira uru alikajiando he talked about it. Not actually Kimathi he has been fighting for this thing for the last 3 years. Kenda unaitwa WRC kachoka Kenya. Na yani made it. Na ndina alikitie Kenya ndene class kingine on this na tourist attraction. Ibuiji timu ile kaja huku the country gets out of money. Eda nuko na rally kija Meru kwa hoteli tona ku mama. Warrant.
By the way.
Should you ask that question? Utagiri kule kwa nonto rally jana ijari September jita na ndi nyojo tina utakidata. Ende na ile warrant jiteku. We have money for that.
That is nice. Nkona abantu bengi mono bakora congratulations bakonete kuma kitambo. Kwena mtu kuga my name is Nkatha. I have seen Nkubu wa Imwari at Charana Farm and I would want him to mentor me and be the best lady driver in Meru. Akoko atate.
And number kweleo if she can get me. My number is 0722 853 956. She can call me anytime she wants. She can visit me my working place waranga bitairangugi. Eja tukalende guru muitane na mwira kwenda then tutacharana.
Ongearuria tiga 4x4 jere rari kwigoro ingari mithembere kubu ina chio imuriki kumanteresha mwanika.
Ngari cheku ngari kuna Subaru, kuna Toyota, kuna Mitsubishi, kuna ingalengea kuna megatra specific alita kwita ntoka ni nyingi muno.
Botekira speed.
Ali speed wera bakeda no kukira ngari makwenda iku. Those cars kuona jali kulika stretch with a 260 off road. 260 240 that's off road.
Are you serious?
I tell you, there is no one who drives a car faster than a rally driver when the clock is ticking. That you kuma time control era ugakinya time control 1 to time control 2. na ina kilometers 40 na time kwa 30 minutes in drives like
challenges ziri kubutha nacho as rally drivers.
Rally drivers then ni breakdown, that's the problem we have in case engari na lakini mtu they prepare cha yange betrui na you are prepared for that. Kuna you don't expect much of the challenges because you have done it before you drive that car in. Ina nonto no prepare tanga gari ka break in ni mbingi nonto nyana ingeda gwita kugia to magabe then na to bya gwita kugia na mbigode na ngia so enough na ni okutira kwena challenges like that. Yes, actually they ni becha tu finance. That's the only challenge.
Ibange wengwa ki personal as
Ibange yes.
Karimi Kaunti na dere wetu safari rally, na mshukuru huyo dere wetu na pia naomba namba yake, alafu namuomba tutafutane na yeye kwa hata mimi ni dere wa Kishua na huwa naomba Mungu hata mimi anijalie kuwa dere wa safari rally. Haki Madam Kaunti na Mungu anijalie kakwiriri nyewe kutuika driver wa safari rally. Ongea kauga atiri salimia mgeni ako sawa sana. Ongea kauga Bwana Kiruki kwena kiurio kiria Bwana Kiruki maybe nkwenda chokia ochethere mubira mwankana kwa interested
mwankana chono
no kuona kana jawa ali muchethi mubira kulinga SMS yako
mono
Chukuru
primary college mwankaja manganye kino rueja
ko tigire
lakini tuko na ages catch but see, actually even now in the morning I always learn every morning I wake up at 5 kanganya kumanje kwa Nkubu kachoka those about 12 kilometers. Yes, that's what I always do that. Kumaruk mpoka ira 5:30 geta Nkubu kachoka keje Kenya kugine 6 geta gym no kwenda ku build my muscle
kumakalie ni mweta Nkubu
na kuchoka.
You walk?
Jogging, I don't walk.
You jog?
I jog, yeah.
Every day?
Every day.
Ujo kwa kira 5:30 wete mwaka Nkubu no chokia maguru o joga?
Yeah.
No goro
6 meter gym
do ogoro
can do aerobics. He can non to a ride driver you should be fit. Non to if you can drive that fast no kwenda you are physically fit na body fit. So na no kwenda able to be. Yes.
Kaunti niulizie huyo bingwa Volkswagen bado huwa zina exist kwa industry ya safari rally Brian Kumaembo.
Volkswagen na okeja kirira classic. You can drive that one classic. Because kuna makaratasi tunasema homologation it's not wrong so but classic you can drive a bit that one is around. Yes.
Kaunti mboliria amwali kethera gwikio muntu ali agakenda atonya ngutikenugire muntu ibangana ngalewe
kuna na
muntu akenda ukinyagi club kienu maybe
club you have to pay some fee kidogo very true alafu na gutonya ni rally you have to pay a friction fee that with 25,000 kedha ni Kenya National kuna Kenya National Rally Championship you know kama ngoli 25 kedha is a faida ino ngoli 50,000 that one to cater for you kenda witho antu bakalite na mbina mathayo yangi that's why you
pay that reke routes tumetare ke jabu ta maybe kuchwa route imbio yongo botega jabu kuchwa route safari rally
nandi because I'm doing it for the August Kenya RC
nandi mbio geta kutega
nandi injira njira ora ikari chana ndi last ndaumirira ndeta Kanyakine gutonyera mwito kiama ndeta Mara ndena mande na miranda umera mwanka kia ndege that one in the route that 23 kilometers kino ndeta otega nanda ingari kwanza county is a matter of attraction to the tourist.
Yes,
that okanda itegito kinoro ndenda umira mwichune that was like one the other one ndenda tonyera Nkubu hospitali ndenda kumira gitune no we gitune kenda cheuma uchija show ground ithithia special stage itonyera forest yau chumira muchene china gweta watia au ntugi chumira TM man TM china machita chumira mungania chitonya cha kinyambalia they don't go to Mbale market. They turn left whatever I call it that's already nyumarandi chita mwaka kumira Kairune mwaka chita kumira na ranjira kinoria they come back.
All right.
Yes.
Nkona so many congratulations Muthoni yoko you never age endelea kimathi kumantere cha kaga ogarwa mama we nti mama kaunti kakomirangerie gushindana oniti ankare na ungiaruria atiri ndi ndereva omira no ngo qualify gutwika ndereva safari rally kana bado ngete some few training
There wasn't guy we mota umaniria no mbele the Ken one guy actually the nyana ambe even today aina Hilux pickup to umaniria no ana unda ina premium a good car from Meru town tawatane au mnyamwera chok egoji we drove for the way mpaka ekinya Ken I had to overtake that guy na ndeta Murungi kambere ndenda kweja mbona how skillful he is not the dominant rally ngari show ground but if because that man could manage that car na let me say this driver chamera they are drivers they are not like actually bakaja gukara ba keep what they are supposed to be doing barabarene they are top cream drivers na ndio mbugete no turari keja I want to give him that car ametirie but how skillful he is I will be sit there between him non to modime non to radical sometimes ogwame awite yangale kuna na mbreki okinya gorweko
oni tumera right ya kinya mbreki na maguta
ogoja mbreki kinya mbreki na maguta tu lakini batwi tutumia left foot braking
mbreki left ego bombo na but
accelerator yetu ko yetu ego ko gotumau non tukenda kwata momentum yangalire kuko ya go control breki left foot braking automator kenda gochoka you always use left foot braking it's a bit risky kwa gutumira kengari because mambo kinya tukakomera but don't try that one at home don't try that at home unless you come to me what to do then I train how to do it left foot braking good alafu ngale rally the next thing either leo and brake yakuma yoroka uguchakia ukarekia teu ikairoka ngale rally ira itiroka hand brake yo no it doesn't.
What happens?
That is an electronic power yayo. You pull that handle of the rally car, you release it. You pull it, you release it. No duka na inertia ko nyamera momentum ile ngale nyuma so that you can swing it still kendo tonyora kuitata okwenda kuitu because if it rock to rock the wheel meka inga bagulya nyuma so you roar.
Okay.
So you pull the handbrake. You koche dano tu. Joro oche dano no cheda na kugurweku. It's ntabu. So you will never rock that.
Wow.
Yeah, that's how we use it now. An electronic, an hydraulic. Yes.
Bwana Kiruki, maybe your last words kire Meru na bara so many people are interested kire manjagi safari ndo umbobera tana maybe tukiriki no tunkona director kwa kompenga inga.
Kire mbere mampa mwe thank you no bwa wero kometekira kwejaja.
Karibu tena.
It's a chance we have been looking for and I ran director wa wero ibwega no to kometekiria na ibwega no to kwetha bwe Meru.
Ibwega.
Na arabu ikitia Meru bumikite na rike manto ja communication na please tolerant bukaina meni we appreciate you a lot nyada butira no apu bagi kwira thank you boy moyo kana umenya igubitata bugitanga wenjaga tino tubombeta ari no to what you have done antu nya antu bonde bona weru rali oro kwenda tonya rali neche tuna chance na nyeto kambia Devin soon ya rali na ukakira kuja kumbona ukakira kuja kuninga thimu nya ugwe mama county I've seen this rally eja ejete ka make sure ukaira antu wa Meru wende na rally ka ubatangasire wende na bera how it's going na Meru reka in manka bone what's rally ka and God wishes and can make sure ku tonya ngale rally na on behalf of the Weru TV na my viewers na mshukuru nyinyi nyote na asanteni sana I respect you.
Thank you so much.
My heart up.
Bwega sana.
Thank you
so much.
Karibu tena.
Ongevere kiruke mmono
charana. It's my boy.
Ngerogereza ngakuruka 140.
It's my boy. Thank you for that.
Bwega sana mutegeri wa Weru TV no ntuba kuona kanya na gutega mubango jwa Gikaro Na Kaunty kile barabonde batume SMS nkathoshia mwanya ibukinyire na bwana kiruke ketheka muno ngagire kuja kuona kethera ngakuruka 140 rieto rakwa Karimi County kiria thikiria ba Kameme Weru FM 96.4 ntuko ya rojero kiri kwambire thaa imo cia rokiri mwanka thaa 4 hetawe kire 96.4 kesho asubuhi tuko hapo rara mzuri.
Thank you man.